breath in balance. Let's begin. Mountain pose builds stability and awareness. Stand tall with feet grounded, spine long, shoulders relaxed, and breathe deeply, feeling strength and balance in the body. Tree pose improves balance, focus, and stability. Ground one foot, place the other on the inner leg. Bring your palms together and breathe calmly, feeling steady and centered. Warrior pose strengthens the legs and core while improving focus and stability. Keep your front knee bent, arms extended wide, and breathe deeply, feeling grounded, steady, and strong. Warrior builds strength and focus. Bend the front knee, extend the arms wide, and breathe steadily, feeling grounded and powerful. Extended side angle pose strengthens the legs and stretches the sides of the body. Keep the front knee bent, reach the arm overhead, and breathe deeply, feeling length and energy. Extended side angle pose builds strength and flexibility. Bend the front knee, stretch the arm overhead, and breathe slowly, feeling space and energy flow through the body. Triangle pose stretches the sides of the body, opens the chest, and strengthens the legs. Keep the legs straight, reach one arm up and the other down, and breathe slowly, feeling balance and length. Triangle pose opens the chest and stretches the sides of the body. Keep the legs strong, extend the arms, and breathe deeply, feeling balance and space. Chair pose strengthens the legs, core, and back while building focus and stability. Bend the knees, sit the hips back, lift the arms, and breathe steadily, feeling strength and energy rise. Chair pose strengthens the legs and core. Bend the knees, lift the arms, and breathe deeply, feeling focus and power. Eagle pose stretches the shoulders and legs while improving balance. Wrap your arms and legs gently, breathe slowly, and feel stability and focus in the body. Eagle pose strengthens the legs, stretches the shoulders and upper back, and improves balance and focus. Wrap your arms and legs gently, breathe slowly and evenly, and feel stability and calm energy flowing through the body. Half moon pose improves balance, strengthens the legs and core, and stretches the sides of the body. Lift one leg and reach one arm forward, keeping the gaze steady, and breathe deeply, feeling energy and stability. Half moon pose strengthens the legs and core while improving balance. Lift one leg, reach one arm forward, and breathe steadily, feeling stability and energy. Boat pose strengthens the core, hip flexors and spine. Sit tall, lift your legs, extend your arms forward, and breathe steadily, feeling balance and energy through the body. Seated forward bend stretches the spine, hamstrings and shoulders. Fold forward gently, breathe slowly, and feel tension release with each exhale. Butterfly pose gently opens the hips and stretches the inner thighs. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together, and breathe slowly, letting your body relax. Cat-cow pose warms up the spine and releases tension in the back. Move between arching and rounding the spine. Breathe slowly and feel flexibility and calm energy flow through your body. Gently relaxes the back and hips. Rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe slowly and release tension with each exhale. Bridge pose strengthens the back, glutes, and legs while opening the chest. Lift your hips gently, keep the feet grounded, and breathe slowly, feeling stability and energy throughout the body. Reclined twist pose gently stretches the spine and releases tension in the back. Lie on your back, drop your knees to one side, extend your arms and breathe slowly, feeling calm and balanced.